Hey everyone, I'm Chef Tovia, and today I'm going to show you how I make 7-minute cabbage in my GeekChef electric pressure cooker. I got my pressure cooker on saute, and I'm going to put my olive oil on the bottom of it, and I'm going to add my peppers and onions. You can use whatever kind of bell peppers you want. I'm just using some small sweet peppers, and I'm using a regular onion. I just kind of slice them thinly, and I'm just going to let that cook in the bottom of this pressure cooker for about 1 to 2 minutes. And I am sauteing on 390 degrees if your saute has a temp function. So this has been sauteing for a minute. And a vegetable stock, cabbage, and this is a cabbage that I just kind of sliced. I did remove the core from the middle, and I added all the leaves, even those top dark green leaves. So it's just going to go down into our pressure cooker. And then I'm going to pressure cook this for this cancel button. And I'm going to close, make sure the valve is closed. So I'm going to hit the bean chili setting and then pressure cook for 5 minutes with the valve closed. So we'll be back in 5 minutes. So I'm going to hit the cancel button and I'm going to release the pressure. As soon as you hear it, release the pressure because you don't want this stuff to become too mushy. I'm going to open up the lid. I'm going to give everything a stir around. So now this is halfway finished cooking. So I just wanted to cook it down, and then we're going to add the spices, and I'm not going to add the salt until the very end. So I'm going to stir in all those spices, and then I'm going to pressure cook this again. But this time I'm going to use the chicken poultry setting because that allows me to go as low as I need to, and I'm going to pressure cook it for 3 more minutes. And it should be done. Okay, I'm going to hit the poultry setting, and then I'm going to cook it for 3 minutes. And make sure the pressure valve is closed. So I'm going to cook it for 3 minutes under pressure on poultry. Okay, so I already released the pressure, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I'm going to give everything a stir. And I can just look at it and tell that it's done. Didn't take long. It took a total of 7 minutes. So I'm going to add a little bit of kosher salt to this. It's not going to need much. About a half a teaspoon or so. You can adjust it to your taste. If you want to add more black pepper to this, you can. So here is my cabbage. And I served it with baked chicken. Give you a close up. So I'm going to give the cabbage a taste. You can see all those peppers and onions, and you can see the little flecks of spice all over the cabbage. It smells amazing. The cabbage is not too mushy. And I want to show you guys those dark green leaf parts is tender. All this is done in 7 minutes in the GeekChef pressure cooker. So I'm going to give it a taste. This is so delicious. The peppers in this sweeten this cabbage. I didn't have to add any sugar to this, so it has a nice sweetness. The cabbage is absolutely delicious, tender. It's not mushy. It's not overcooked. It's perfect. And this is a great alternative to those who like fried cabbage. This has the same texture as fried cabbage. Please add this video to your playlist. Don't forget to check out my previous videos and stop by my baking channel, The Sugary Sweet. You'll find out that information in the description box. Thank you to everyone who has been purchasing items off my Amazon wishlist. It's so helpful. Thank you so much. You guys do not know how much it helps me a lot with making my YouTube videos. And please remember, leave a comment or request if you have any, and I'll try to make the recipe if it's something I eat or something I can give away to somebody. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together and love one another. Thumbs up, guys. See y'all later.